Welcome back to the channel. You join me for episode probably I think 2 of the Jetta R32 build. Today I'm going to focus on stripping off all the stuff that I don't want on this engine. So I'm just going to get straight into some time lapse and I'll see you on the other side. So we've got most of the stuff off of the block, still a few more bits to be removed before I can then start masking it up and getting it cleaned up and painted, etc. But before we do any of that, I'm going to do the chains. So you can see the exhaust manifolds are still fitted on, but the main purpose of today's activity was to get the loom off so that I could get that sent out for modifying so it can plug straight into the CE1 fuse box, which this vehicle comes with. So here it all is laid out on the floor. Also in this build I've selected the Eurowise mount kit, so I thought I'd get the mounts all mocked up on a mock-up block and the VR6 gearbox, just to check that I'm happy how it all sits and that I know where it all goes and how it all fits up to the block and the gearbox, just testing ahead of time. Also we'll be moving the engine mount welding wise, so this block here or this mock-up set here we'll be able to use to test in the vehicle nice and easy as well. As you can see, I've got a couple of nuts here and stuff as I'm waiting for the correct hardware to come from Eurowise, along with the drive shafts. And here's a little walk around showing all the mounts in place. And there's one particular part where it does note on their website that the bushing may rest up on the block, and here I'll show you that yes it does, but there's many people running these mounts without issue. So with all the mounts now obviously tested and happy with that, I needed something else to do, so I started to strip down the brake linkage bar, master cylinder servo setup, ready for refurbishing. So here's a little time lapse of me dismantling the unit for you in front. We'll be upgrading the servo to a 9-inch servo and the master cylinder to the what's known as the stubby master cylinder, but more on that once the items are all cleaned and refurbished and ready to go back together. Hopefully you're enjoying the series of these mini videos. Do share, like, subscribe, and join me in the next episode soon. Take care.